Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Vikash
And I'm Trisha.
and welcome to our channel. और ये वीडियो जो है अलग होने वाला है. It's not a travel video, but the investment that we are going to do is for this channel, for our channel's growth, and the content which are going to come will elevate the level of the content that we used to produce before. So हम लोग खरीदने जाने वाले हैं
Drone.
a drone. We are going to purchase a dream drone. कौन सा ड्रोन होने वाला है वो अभी आप जाके देखने वाले हो वीडियो पे आगे. We have been trying a lot to find a drone in India, लेकिन इंडिया में DJI का कोई सेलर है ही नहीं.
Official seller.
Official DJI का कोई stores नहीं है. You guys are aware of that. Most of the people they are purchasing drone from Dubai. And here we have third-party sellers in Bangalore and one in Chennai, which is again going to be a far distance for us to travel and buy a drone alone. We were waiting for the right opportunity कि हम लोग travel करके जाए Dubai and get a drone for ourselves. लेकिन probably it's not going to happen now. But fortunately, we found one guy, one seller, independent seller, who is selling drone.
In
who is
Kerala.
in Kerala itself and close to our house. इतना close है कि only hardly 6 kilometers distance from our place. Neighborhood पे आप बोल सकते हो. So we're going to purchase our drone. We have already paid our advance and we're going to take the delivery. Pre-order किया था हम लोगों ने DJI का ड्रोन जो मैं खरीदने वाला हूँ. अब जानने वाले कौन सा ड्रोन खरीदने वाला हूँ वो ऑलरेडी इन डिमांड एक्चुअली
Highest seller
है. तो आपको ऑलरेडी गेस कर सकते हो कौन सा ड्रोन लेने वाले हैं. तो हम लोगों ने एडवांस किया था, प्री बुक किया था, ड्रोन आ चुका है, अभी हम लोग लेने जाने वाले हैं. So it's nearby. Fortunately, we don't have to travel far distance to get a drone. और बहुत ही reasonable price पे देने वाला है एक बंदा. And let's go. Let's get our first drone. And you are going to see a lot of content with the drone in our next video onwards.
aerial footage.
And it will definitely elevate our storytelling experience. और आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आने वाला है जहाँ जहाँ हम लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं. It's very important for us to get a drone in Kerala. तभी तो आप लोग जान पाओगे कि लोकेशन कैसा है. राइट. सो चलते हैं फिर ड्रोन लेने के लिए. चलिए. इस बिल्डिंग पे 19th floor. So I'm really very excited to see the drone. So let's see. So hey guys, here's Sandro and this is our first drone and we're really excited to unbox it. And if you want a drone in Kerala, Kochi, and he's the right person, we'll leave his number in the description and his contact details also, so that you can also purchase a drone. So we have purchased DJI Mini 3 Pro with the RC controller. So now we're going to unbox it.
Yes.
Yeah. So how to unbox?
You can cut it.
Here.
You can this is the actually RC kit. That's the food. You can actually cut it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now drone. Okay, this is the drone.
की वाले उठा के remote.
RC. So this is the RC control.
बस. That's main.
This is the powerhouse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
I'll
like
have to twist it.
not like this. Don't push it towards.
Yeah, I'll just twist it, right?
Yeah.
Like
Like the
this.
shaft here will break.
Okay.
That is the only confusing part here.
Okay. And this one is simple,
Simple. Yeah.
straightforward.
Straightforward. Yeah.
Okay.
That is the order. The vice versa is the fold.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. For the first time, this one battery. Here's your battery.
Okay.
Can actually pull it out, like pressing this both. And
Okay.
press it once, it will like blink, and when you press it hold, it will turn.
Okay.
Okay. Agree, it will active. You can do it.
Okay. Okay, can I
It
agree?
will nervous. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. Okay. Like it like this.
Yeah. Now it's recording at 4K 30.
Yeah. Yeah. This is automatically. You show that you have an inner slide and I will show you also. This one I go when you are yeah, this one when you are on the design, put like this, hold like this.
सो फाइनली गाइस हम लोग का ड्रोन आ चुका है एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। तो अभी हम लोग फर्स्ट टेक ऑफ करने वाले हैं। बाहर बहुत ही ज्यादा बारिश हो रहा है तो इसलिए हम लोग घर के अंदर ही सेफली टेक ऑफ करेंगे। तो लेट्स सी।
तो ये पहला फ्लाइट तो एग्जैक्टली नहीं है, जस्ट वी आर टेस्टिंग इट आउट फ्रॉम आवर होम। तो ये जो है इसको टेक ऑफ करके इट विल जस्ट होवर टिल दिस हाइट 3 फीट हाइट और इसको लैंड कर देंगे बस। और इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है, बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना है। विल हैव टू लर्न इट वेल। उसके बाद ही हम लोग रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो पे इसको उड़ाएंगे और रिकॉर्ड करेंगे फुटेजेस। तो आगे का जो वीडियो होने वाला है तो इसी ड्रोन से हम लोग लेने वाले हैं। तो वी आर जस्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर नाउ। आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू टेक 2 to 3 days to learn the basics. Ready to take off, guys. Ready. तो ये था टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग का एक छोटा सा टेस्ट। दैट वाज प्रीटी कूल एंड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ड्रोन है ये एंड बहुत ही पावरफुल है, दो इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट ड्रोन। सो वी हैव बॉट DJI Mini 3 Pro with the RC controller, remote control, और बहुत ही capable ड्रोन है। और we are excited about our next videos जो होने वाला है ड्रोन शूट से। So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions for this particular drone, let me know. And we are excited and it's a big investment for us and we are happy about it. So fair guys, take care.
Bye-bye.
See you in our next video from Kerala.